Tell you what, I'm getting a little bit of snow in here, not much right now. Just waiting for this load to go get cleared so I can get out of here and pick it up. It's still sitting in Northeast Vermont. That pile driver, man, I tell you what, 188 pile driver and the sand pile still sounding like a local. Got a lot of more distant or smaller stations out there, but that pile driver, man, jeez.
Well, I want to explain something to you.
How's about it out there, DX Land, 314 Northeast Vermont? We're trying.
Good morning, Tom. Dear Slayer, Clay? Yeah, Ch28 Northeast Vermont, whiskey Cody. Don't you hate it, Emma?
Hey, whiskey, man. I got you in my receive again today. 314 waving on back.
314, you made it down to Texarkana. That's in Razorback. 314, whiskey Cody. Sounding choice.
Yeah, sounding good again, whiskey. I got you on a video gate yesterday. Got you on a live Facebook feed right now, man. You sounded good.
I need it, damn. I'm special. 314, take care, whiskey. See, whiskey see.
You're a special man. Hey, how's about that sand pile, man? We had some good stations. I think I heard Deer Slayer in the Mobile.
I can't hear it Florida right now.
Not you.
I did hear a 121 as well. I did hear a 121, 121, 446, 440. Got some other radios. That was good in you.
Those sand pile stations. Come on.
Yeah, I gotta get across Arkansas first.
yeah, Arkansas sounded good. Well, actually, you're the only one in Arkansas here.
Yeah, well, I'm sitting in a four-state Louisiana and Arkansas.
Must be that Arkansas whiskey.
And my friend,
I had that pile driver. I had that 188 pile driver sound like a local up here, man, but I don't hear him out there now.
Talking about me.
Whoops, oh, sorry. Didn't mean to be talking about you.
Yeah, that sounds like it might be 314, that diesel wagon.
It is, man. I tell you what, that pile driver sounds like a local up here. I tell you what, I'm going to start looking around, see if he's actually up here.
It's over there, 314, sounding all kinds of good in my radio. 413 with a Monday wave.
Oh, hey, 413. I got you mixed up there for a few seconds. My ear's not quite awake, man. Now you're booming too. You and pile driver down there just booming up here. Appreciate that wave this morning.
10-4. Hope that road trip's going good so far. I know the weather's pretty cold up that way. We actually woke up this morning, it was down in the 50s, and the past 3 days have been in the 80s, so kind of shocking when it drops that quick overnight. Yeah, morning time, 456 across the pond. Morning time across the...
Yeah, well, we got just some snow flurries and low 30s right now up here. I'm looking forward to heading south myself.
So, I'll tell you what, man, just keep the heater going in that truck and keep them feet warm.
I've been running the southeast to the southwest all winter. My blood thinned out. I'm not liking the northeast winter anymore.
I understand, man. I lived up there long enough. Although I'm not a big fan of Florida. Down here.
Oh, that's right. You're from the northeast corner. That's right. I forgot about that. You're from up here too. I bet your blood is really thin. You don't want to come back up here.
You say I got a little squirrel coming in there with me, Oscar? I love Mexican food. Yeah, did I hear a deer slayer out there in the mobile? Did I hear a deer slayer in the mobile? 456 East Coast of England, waving a hand. About the 456 on the East Coast of England, 413 Empty Pockets, Tampa Bay, Florida. Yeah, waving a hand here there, 413. Appreciate the call, mate. Old radio, 456 East Coast of England, the county of Norfolk.
456.
All right, there, World Radio 456. Yeah, you sounded real good over here stateside. Just wanted to jump in there and wave a friendly five. Hope all is well over there. Enjoy your conditions, my friend. 413 empty pockets. Tampa Bay 33. London.
You got my load calling now.